Hi all you beautiful faces out there. So today we have a Nikon Z50 dual lens kit. So we are going to unbox this one and we'll see what's inside, what's not. So welcome to my channel, it's Smart Nature. So for the photography, wildlife and nature, we need a specific and special camera. So we have today I have bought this one Z50. So we'll see what we have inside, what we have got inside or not. So in this one made in somewhere in Tokyo and imported by Indian Nikon company and then shipped to us through a Corona store via Tata. So this is having a two dual lenses and one camera inside, and this says it includes 64 GB SD card on and carry case with 2 years warranty. This product is available in India with these schemes only, so I'm not sure whether you guys get it there in your own country or not, but in India we have a 64 GB card and carry case included in the box. Okay, rather than wasting much time, and we are going to open this one now, and I will see what's inside. I have opened this one before, just for a quick test, then put it back so that I can do unboxing in front of the camera. So let's see what's inside. So that's what I have told you before. We have a SanDisk card that is 64 gigs that is free with this camera. So we are putting this on side, and little paper things. This is welcome from Nikon, 50% discount coupon, and this one is membership, something you can earn points. This is 2 warranty cards of lens and camera itself, and this is the service center all around India. So this is all about cards and stuff, and this is the main manual of the camera. So everybody need to go through with this camera guide so that they can really understand how it works, how it doesn't work. So let's see quickly what's inside. Here we go. We have a lens 1650 here and 50 to 250 mm lens here, and camera. So we have a USB cable here, that is micro USB. This cable is micro USB. A battery. This battery is 7.6 volt, 1120 mAh battery, and we have a charger. That is an Indian style charger. So this is our small lens, that is 1650. This is our zoom lens. That is 50 to 250. This is a large lens. Normally costs 31,000 in India. Just this one. So we have a strap included in this box, and we have this beautiful camera. So now we can see that there are a few buttons up there. This is a roller here on the auto mode, and this is the selection button, whether you want to put that on to camera mode or video mode. So you can select either of them. So this is on off switch here. This is a roller again, this side. There are 3 buttons up there, 1 roller here, There is one roller up here, 2 buttons here, and this is camera release, and there is a flash on top. And now we have 2 monitors up here, one with the, we can see with the eye, that is EVM, and this is the monitor, main monitor. You can switch between monitors from this special button up here, and we have a little menu up here. So this is it. We have these items in the box, and other than this we do have a box as well, which I haven't received yet. So yeah, but there is a box from Nikon for bag, sorry, I mean there is a bag from Nikon which will come later on with the shipping. Actually the company has they forgot to send me that bag along with this one. So I think that's it. That's what we have today. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching my video, and please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.